Alright, so you got the LG G7. Brand new device just came out. It has a unique feature that's called Boombox. We're supposed to have very good audio on the outside. So I got some devices here. I got the LG G6. I got the iPhone 10. I got the Nexus 6 front-facing speakers. We're going to put all these devices to the test and hear how they sound in action. So sit back and relax. Get your popcorn ready. Woo! Let's have some fun, audio style. Let's go. Alright guys, so this is Eric again with another video. So let's go on and test the audio of the LG G7. This device is supposed to have this special boom box type sound, so we're gonna test it out. Let me go on and fire everything up and get it all set up. Alright guys, so we're gonna play some non-copyright music, and I got the LG G7 first, and let y'all guys hear this. Alright, and so this technology kind of give you that good surround sound speaker. Now the whole bottom of the device is actually vibrating. So the whole bottom of the device is vibrating. So when you put this on a surface like this, you get loud, very loud. Yeah, so that is very loud. Woo, man. All right. So that is the LG G7. Let's go ahead and go with the LG G6. Okay. All right. So as you can hear, the LG G6 is not as loud as the LG G7. Right. Very, very loud. Alright, so as you can hear, the LG G7 is definitely 2 times louder than the LG G6. Alright, so it's definitely beating that. Let's go with the iPhone 10, and let's go to hear that. All right, so the iPhone 10 got front-facing speaker in the bottom, firing speaker. Yes, so the LG G7 is definitely louder than the iPhone 10. Yeah. So, wow. So the LG G7 is definitely louder than the iPhone 10. All right, so let's get the Nexus 6. Now this device was one of my loudest phones back in the day. Okay. Wow. Now we got 2 front-facing speakers. Yeah, so the Nexus 6, whoo, yeah. Yeah. Right, so right now, the LG G7 ThinQ is a device that is very loud, louder than any phone that I have right now. It's louder than the iPhones, it's louder than the front-facing speakers of the Nexus, it's louder than the G6, it's louder than any phone that I have. So when it comes down to audio, not only that it has 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, got very good audio, but the external audio is also keen on the LG G7. All right, so this is Eric from Music Computer Solutions. Leave your questions down below. Let me know what you think about the LG G7 in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace.